Greetings everyone. Here we are going to talk about adjacency in directed graphs. So previously I did talk about adjacency in undirected graphs. So here we see that you have a directed graph. Okay. So if there is an edge pointing from 0 to 2, okay, then we say that 2 is adjacent to, or vertex 2 is adjacent to vertex 0. Okay, so here we are looking at a directed link in red color, and this directed link is pointing to vertex 1. So we say that vertex 1 is adjacent to vertex 0. So correspondingly in our matrix, which consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 4 columns, okay, because there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 vertices, okay, and each of them labeled as per the labeling in the vertex. So this 0 corresponding to vertex 0, okay, this 3 corresponding to vertex 3. So here if we look at this edge pointing to 1, okay, we say that 1 is adjacent to 0. Therefore we look at a row 0 and column 1. So this is a row 0, this is column 1, and here we say that it is 1 because 1 is adjacent to 0. Now if we look at this link, so this is pointing to vertex 2. Therefore we say that vertex 2 is adjacent to vertex 0. Therefore we look at row 0 column 2. So row 0 and column 2, and we place a 1 saying that 2 is adjacent to 0. Now if we look at this edge which is pointing towards vertex 2, we say that vertex 2 is adjacent to vertex 1. Therefore look at row 1 and column 2. Row 1 and column 2, we have 1 here. Now if we look at this link, we say that this edge is pointing towards vertex 1. Therefore vertex 1 is adjacent to vertex 2. Therefore look at row 2 and column 1. So row 2 and column 1. And then you place a 1 here saying that 1 is adjacent to 2. And therefore we see that 3 is adjacent to 1, 3 is adjacent to 2 here, following the red edge. Then following the red edge we have 2 is adjacent to 3, and the remaining all are zeros. Thank you.